Hey, what's up everyone, it's Mark with M2M Detail. It is Thursday at 5:13 p.m. We've been sweating all day. It is 95 in the shop right now. It's disgusting. So let's get into a quick video, guys. I told you we're going to be releasing every Friday. So this one's kind of last minute, but we have a 1976 Porsche in here, the 930, still fenders. We're doing full car clear bra. Whole front's already done. The doors aren't done yet. We got the door handles out. These are done. The rear fenders are done. The trunk's done. So pretty much we just got all the small stuff left, the rocker panels and stuff. So I'm gonna just do a quick video on installing the mirror for you guys. So let's get it all prepped up and let's get into the video and make it real quick for you guys. So we're gonna be using our M2M Detail surface prep. So this is just gonna help make sure there's no waxes or anything on the paint right now. So we just want a nice clean surface for the PPF to adhere to. So you got that. Make it all nice and clean. So we are a P2 sprayer. If you guys want to see more about this, check out our other videos, product reviews. We have a P2 sprayer versus an IK sprayer in there. So we're gonna get this nicely lubed up, just like that. We have our piece of film, SunTech Ultra PPF. So let's get it started. And by the way, guys, there should be a customer walking through the door any minute. So we're gonna find out. They're picking up the Cadillac we just did the window tint and full detail on. So if someone walks in, you know who it is. So let's get this all nicely lubed. There we go. All right, guys. It's gonna be kind of awkward because I want to keep you guys in the picture. For tack, we're using hot water. I'm gonna throw some on there, help the PPF adhere better, let it relax a little bit. So you can see we put a lot. And now we're gonna grab this and we're just gonna get the shape that we kind of want. So you can see how we got some tight areas right here at the top. We need to release. Just we don't want to overstretch it. We just want to get a nice little anchoring point right there. That looks good. So we're gonna put some of this on. PPF Hornet works really good, guys. And we're gonna work this out right there. So if you get some discoloration, that's just want to lift it up. Go ahead and spray it with some tack, clean that up. You can spray it with baby shampoo or the tack, whichever you want. We're gonna be doing the tack because we're trying to get this installed. So just like that. Hold it down for a minute, guys. When you're dealing with PPF, oh, I couldn't make the reach. That hurt my chest. When you're dealing with PPF, you gotta really take your time. So, you guys probably didn't see that, but we got a nice little finger. How to get that finger out. Let me zoom you guys in on that. All right, guys, so you guys probably have a lot better view now. My bad. It's my fault, So let's get this in. Get that nicely down like that. See how we're just lightly pulling it? We're not pulling too much tension on it. We're gonna hold that, grab our Hornet, and let's get that nicely secured right there. All right. So we got a little bit of discoloration. Go. Uh-oh. Yep, I did just drop that. And it opened up and it poured everywhere. It's okay. Alright guys, so we got this side in, right? So this looks nice. Now we gotta work on this side. So we're gonna go ahead and relift it. Get some baby shampoo in there, you know, make sure we don't have any discoloration, adhesive lines, lifting lines. Let's get it nice and cleaned up. Then I'm gonna go back the hot water, and the hot water acts as a tack, and it helps relax the film. So we want to relax the film so it's able to stretch nicely and not bite you. So once we got it nice and smooth, we're going to spray some of the inside. Now we're just going to take our film and we're going to pull it like that. Just let it chill for a minute. Just like that. Get this a little closer. Some baby shampoo. And we're just going to pull it to the side. Alright. So guys, now we got from here all the way over here, it all looks good. Now we just got to work on this area. And when you guys are working on these small areas like that, you don't want to apply too much pressure because the next day or probably within a couple of hours, it'll lift right back up. So when you're doing this, we're going to just relax a little bit. So you can see how we're lifting it a little bit up, right? So give it a nice little heat in there, relax the film, and then we're just going to lightly pull it a little bit right there, guys. Nothing crazy. We want to get all these little fingers out. So now we're just working very slowly to the edge. So now we're just going to squeegee that out, just like that. Alright guys, so now same thing again. We got this side pretty much all done right there. Now we're just going to go ahead, slowly lift it. It'll lift by itself, but you just want to very gently do it because we're not trying to apply too much pressure. And then, there we go. So, got that big finger right there, which is the back we're going to be cutting on this line. So it's not a real big issue. So we're just going to do that. Spray some baby shampoo again. Work it around. Alright. Now let's go into these top edges and this corner edge right here. So let's get some little tack in there and bam, let's pull this like that. Yep, we don't want that. There we go. There she is. So we're just gonna hold that. And we're just gonna give a nice little squeegee right there. There we go. Now, you guys see there's a nice little finger up there. There we go. There we go. Let's get up in here, guys, on the bottom. Looks good. Now, this is what I was telling you guys about. So we have a little too much of pulling right here on the side. So that's why it keeps fingering up right there. So we're going to go ahead and fix that. How we're going to fix that is that we're going to pull it up. We're going to spray in the baby shampoo in there. Make sure we don't get no lift lines. So and then we're just going to see how this is going to work. So just start pulling different ways, not real hard. So you want to see which way is going to work the best with the least amount of tension on it, because we are right on the edge. So I think this was the best way, just like that. So you can see how we moved our finger to go to the bottom, which is fine because we will be trimming that off. There we go. So you can see this is all good now. Now we just got to deal with this one, which is an easy one because we have a down angle. So we're just going to spray some. Ooh, almost got the camera, it looked like. Let's get that. Whoa. All right, guys, so I'm pretty much done. I'm gonna let it sit like this for a minute. If you cut it right away, sometimes it will lift because it's tension along that line, wherever you're gonna cut. So I'm gonna let it chill like this for a bit, and then we'll be good to go. Let me pull you guys back up. All right, guys, so I hope this helped you guys out if you're trying to install some PPF. Hopefully this is like a quick demonstration you can refer to if you're trying to do an install yourself. Also, check out the eBay stores, M2M Detail, and I have them under a different account too. But yeah, we have a bunch of pre-cut templates, so you can buy stuff like this, install them yourself, and they'll come pre-cut. So you won't even have to do the trimming like I'm about to trim on this, just because this car is so old. I don't have pre-cuts for it, so everything's done by hand. The whole car is gonna be done by hand. But yeah, so I appreciate you guys watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed the quick video, and I'll see you guys next Friday, and I'll try to post something on Wednesday for you guys and keep them coming. All right, guys, have a good day. It's Mark with M2M Detail. Mark out.